Good evening, everyone. The National Weather Service continues to release information from their storm surveys on the tornado outbreak over the weekend, and we are now up to 30 confirmed tornadoes, which makes this the largest December tornado outbreak in the state, and it's even the third largest for any month in the state. And those tornadoes did wreak havoc across central Illinois. Some of our western counties included in that, Christian and Macon counties, both saw their share of tornadoes over the weekend. A lot of that activity further off to the west. Zooming in for a closer look, we did have one supercell track through Christian County, producing the first tornado just to the southeast of Morrisonville. Then another one as we got to the east of Morrisonville. That is the one that would track into Taylorville, producing EF3 damage. Another EF2 tornado touched down in Stonington, and that storm continued to produce tornadoes as it tracked its way through Macon County, producing three more weak tornadoes through the western and northern sections of the county. And that wasn't it. That cell would go on to the north and produce four more tornadoes up into McLean County near Leroy. So definitely more tornadoes over the weekend, making it the highest in the state for December. And here's a look at those ratings in our viewing area, ranging from EF0 to EF3 strength. That Taylorville tornado was the strongest of all the tornadoes of the day, with winds of 155 miles an hour. Right now, no severe weather out there across the area. It is just cold out there. Temperatures are in the upper 20s to near 30 across much of the area. 29 in Champaign, Danville, and here in Charleston. 30 in Paris, still at 32 down in Robinson. When we factor in those winds, it's feeling even colder out there, feeling like 29 in Decatur, feeling like 23 in Charleston, feeling like 27 down in Effingham, and those winds are making it feel even worse out there. Currently from the west in many locations, 9 miles an hour right now in Paris and in Danville, 10 in Terre Haute, and we're also seeing those snow flurries across the area. SkyTrack shows much of that activity further off to the south near St. Louis and then through southern Illinois, going into Kentucky, but some of that activity does linger in our southwestern areas. And zooming in for a closer look, you can see some of that heaviest precipitation across northern Shelby County right now, and then another band working its way through southern Jasper County. We're going to hold on to those flurry chances for the evening hours, but as we get into the overnight, we'll start to see that activity diminish, especially once we get past midnight. Overnight lows, though, going to be cold down to 24 under mostly cloudy skies. And we are expecting some cloud cover to start your Wednesday, but as we get into the afternoon, we'll start to see the sunshine make an appearance once again. Temperatures, though, on Wednesday going to remain cold for us. We're still going to be in the mid-30s for a daytime high. So as we break it down, 26 at 9 a.m. up to 31 by noon, but 35 is as high as we make it on Wednesday. But again, that sunshine will come out in the afternoon, so that will help to improve conditions out there. Our next chance of precipitation arrives